This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these criminals are doing everything in their power to suppress the channel, because they don't want more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, everyone knows by now that United States and China been sitting in London over the last 2 days trying to negotiate a truce to not end the tariffs, but at least make them manageable, okay? And also, what China was doing was holding back the rare earth minerals, which United States needs. Even though, in my opinion, I think we need to start looking to procure those earth minerals domestically, okay? Because we should not have to depend on China for that, because they can use it as a bargaining tool, which they have been doing, okay? I am sure if we look hard enough in the United States of America and U.S. territories, we can find rare earth minerals where we don't have to depend on China. Or I heard there's a lot going on in Afghanistan regarding those rare earth minerals also, but that is another story. The bottom line is this. It seems that U.S. and China has come to some type of deal that will maintain the truce on the tariffs, and China will start releasing more of the rare earth minerals to the United States of America. Now, me personally, I think this is a great news for the economy, and I believe it should have a positive impact on the stock market today. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling them to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. What I'm saying is that when the two largest economies on the planet are at war, it can't be good for the global economy. Even though we are, and I don't want to sound horrible, but we are much more important than China, in my opinion, on the global scale. And the truce benefits China more than it benefits the United States of America, because I believe we can survive without China, okay? We can survive without China. We are a country that tends to bounce back. Okay? So while I believe a truce is great for the economy, the global economy as a whole, and hopefully we'll see it in the stock market today. Maybe the VIX will go down and the SPY and QQQ will start going back up. But a truce between United States and China when it comes to the tariffs, when it comes to the release of the rare earth minerals, I think it's great for the global economy. I think it's great for crypto. And I believe that hopefully we will see the results of this agreement in the stock market today. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that China and America coming to an agreement on the tariffs and the rare earth minerals is going to have a positive impact on the entire global economy and a positive impact on the stock market? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.